Hi Arpita, how are you?
Fine, sir. How are you, sir?
I am fine, thanks for asking. Okay, tell me something about yourself.
First of all, thank you, sir. My name is Arpita N. I studied
Mhm.
MSc in Computer Science at Bangalore University in 2019, and I completed my MSc with CGPA 7.49. Along with that, I have done two projects. My major project is student portal system. For that, I used some programming languages like PHP, HTML, CSS, and SQL. And I have done another project also that is called mobile showroom management system. For that, I used VB.NET and SQL. Coming to that is my post graduation and graduation. I have done graduate BSc in Kolar. Mm, Coming to my hobbies, playing with kids and watching TV, gaming. And my
Gaming.
strengths are self-motivated always,
Mhm.
disciplined person.
Okay,
That's all
cool.
about me.
So Arpita, why do you want to join Byju's? Because you can go for a job in which you'll have 9 to 6 shift. Okay. So why do you want to work in a sales domain where you'll have a hectic schedule? There's no timing. In the morning, you have to come to office at the fixed time. That is 9 a.m. or 10 a.m., whatever time will be given to you. But in the night, there's no time to go home because it depends on your sales and your job, how you have performed throughout the day, and then you can leave for the day. So why do you want to do such a hectic job in Byju's?
Sir, why means in my 12th, I have worked as a sales girl in bookshop, sir. Same,
Okay,
same experience was uh, I was experienced in 12th also, sir. That is okay,
okay,
sir. I will manage my work, sir.
okay. So if you have worked on a bookshop, then tell me one experience, one best experience, what you had throughout your experience, and one worst experience, what you had.
Sir, best experience means once I I sell the book for one customer. That is
Mhm.
also and it tear the pages, sir. Our books was with damage, but the
Okay,
customer didn't recognize and he brought the book. Then he
okay,
came back to me and told the damage issues, sir. Then I
hmm,
first of all there is no exchange offer in our bookstore, sir. But I
okay,
have convinced the owner to exchange the book for him.
okay,
The
okay,
owner is convinced and he exchanged the book, sir.
okay,
So he is happy with my work, sir. That
cool, okay.
customer.
One worst experience.
Sir, worst experience is also same issue, sir. Once one
Same.
lady with the kid, he tell the all pages while uh, seeing the book in front of me only. Then
Mhm.
owner will he scolded me, sir, for that.
Hmm. Okay, cool, great. Okay, so now we'll have some basic questions in which I'll be the customer. Okay, and we'll do a role play. Then you will be the salesperson. You will try to convince me to buy something. Okay, so the first question I have is very simple, and you might have heard many times. Okay, the question is, sell me a pen.
Sell me a pen.
Yes,
Sir,
it is a simple pen. Okay, and the cost of pen is 10 rupees. Okay, so now you have to convince me to buy a pen. I want to go for 3 rupees pen. I don't want to invest much. Okay, but you have to convince me to buy 10 rupees pen. So why should I invest 7 rupees extra and why should I go for 10 rupees pen?
okay, sir. Hi, sir. Good
Hi,
evening, sir.
hello, good evening.
Are you going to buy a pen, sir, now?
Yes, actually, I don't have much work to do with pen, okay, because I do most of my work in computers, okay. So I just want a 3 rupees pen, 2 or 3 rupees pen that I can use whenever it is required.
Sir, I have one pen. It costs 10 rupees. The specialization of pen is it is having smooth grip, sir. You
Okay.
cannot feel a heavy weight on your pen. If you buy 3 rupees pen, 5 rupees pen, it means you can feel heavy weight and your handwriting is not so much good. If you
Mhm.
buy this pen, means you get to good handwriting while in your busy schedule also you will do the rough work also. It will look like a notes. You will prepare a notes like this.
No, I
Can you buy
understand.
this?
But see, grip is for somebody who is using the pen frequently, who is having a work to write lots and lots of things in a day. But my job
Sir,
is I hardly use the pen for 10-20 minutes in a day.
sir, if you want to signature somewhere else means you want to pen, no, sir. Your signature
Yes.
is also come neatly, sir,
Okay.
in this pen.
Anything apart from the grip? Do you have specially like specialized in this pen apart from grip?
Some pens are leaked while you are keep it in pocket, sir.
Okay.
It will not leak like that, sir.
Okay. Cool.
There is no cap in this pen. It will tick
Okay.
pen. I don't know what is called. It is
Okay.
tick
Okay.
pen.
Cool.
You keep
Okay.
it in your pocket, sir.
Okay. Cool. Good point. Okay. So now I have next question. Okay. You have to sell me a earphone in which one side is not working.
One side is not.
Is not working. Yes. How do you sell me? I am a
Sir,
customer. I'm
good.
coming to your shop to buy a regular earphone. Okay. I just asked you that give me a regular earphone that I can use in daily life. But you have to convince me to buy a earphone that is not working from one side.
Good evening,
Go ahead.
sir. Are
Good evening.
you going to buy a earphone now?
Yes, actually, I want a earphone for my daily use whenever I'm traveling somewhere. So I just want like I can hear some music and all that.
Sir, I have one offer for you.
Uh-huh.
Firstly, I should tell this earphone is not working one side.
Hmm.
For this earphone, I'll give you 50% offer if you
Okay.
buy this means. If you
Okay.
want to means, I will reduce it 50% to 60% also.
Okay. But
This special,
why? Like money is not a problem for me, but I want something that is reliable. One side is not
sir,
working. Suppose another side is also not working in some day, then it will be of no use for me, right?
sir, no use, not like that, sir. If you buy this, I'll freely give one working earphone, sir. If you buy this not working earphone, I will give two-side working earphones, sir.
Okay. In the same price.
Buy this, sir.
In the same price, you'll give me one free working earphone.
Ah, yes, sir, I will give,
But
sir.
it will be a
But
loss for you, right?
sir,
It will be a loss for you, right? You have to give me a earphone free of cost. It will be a loss for you.
sir,
Don't
loss
you think?
means I will handle, sir. But
Okay, you will manage.
yes, sir, I will
Okay,
manage.
cool. Okay, cool. Okay, so now suppose you are a person working in a salon, okay, a ladies salon, okay,
Sir,
salon,
please, sir.
ladies salon,
Okay.
hair cutting salon, okay. So one lady comes to your salon, okay, she is having a long hair, okay, and you have
Sir,
to convince that customer. Sorry,
your video is get stucking.
okay,
Tell
is
me
it
now.
audible now? Is it clear
Ah,
now?
yes, sir.
Okay.
Now clear.
So you are a person working in a salon, you do a haircut. Okay. A lady comes to your showroom or your salon, okay, and she asks for a haircut. Okay. She has a long, smooth hairs. Okay. She just wants to set her hair. Okay. But you have to convince her to have a boycott hair. That you remove all your long hairs and keep boycott hair that is trending. Okay. So how do you convince that particular lady, which lady is having a long silky hairs and she loves her hair the most? So how do you convince her to have a boycott hair?
Good evening, ma'am. You have so much smooth hair. If you cut your hair like boy cut hair, you will be looking beautifully. You are
Hmm.
beautiful now, not like the I'm saying not you are not beautiful now. You are beautiful now.
Hmm.
If you cut boy cut hair, you will get more beauty in your on your hair, ma'am. Would you
But tell
try
me one
to?
thing, being a lady, you are keeping long hairs and you are convincing me to keep short hairs. If it is so
No, ma'am.
trendy, it is so good, then why don't you keep the short hairs?
No, ma'am. I am also tomorrow. I will cut my hair, ma'am. Like boy cut.
Okay, tomorrow you will do that. Do it today.
Yes.
Why tomorrow?
Tomorrow means now I have work, ma'am. So now I can't get that. So tomorrow I will make it that, ma'am.
Okay, do one thing for convincing me to keep short hairs. you have to tell me any three names of celebrities or any famous personalities who keep short hairs and they look good in short hairs. Any personality, be it cricket player, film stars, anyone.
Indira Gandhi. She is
Indira
also
Gandhi.
having short
Okay,
hair.
cool.
She is also very
Okay,
beautiful. And
cool.
our
Got one.
grandchild Priyanka Gandhi. I think Priyanka Gandhi. She also
Okay,
having
cool.
short
Okay, two names I got. Tell me one more name.
and I forgot her name.
Think of it.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. The air hostess who died for air
Nirja.
Neeraja Bhanut something.
Okay, cool.
She
Okay,
also
good.
having short hair. She also beautiful.
Okay, good sense of humor. Good. Okay, so now, like, I'll have next question to you. In this era of mobile phone, okay, you have to convince me to keep a landline phone in my house, okay, for communicating. So, how do you convince me?
Sir, I am calling from Byju's.
Mm-hmm.
Would you like to keep a landline on your house, sir?
No, actually, I was looking for a secondary smartphone because I was thinking that I'll keep one phone in my house for communicating. So, give me, like, suggest me some smartphone in reasonable
Sir,
budget.
smartphone means if you keeping smartphone means while someone is calling you, only you have to receive the call and you have to talk in your busy schedule also. If you keep it to landline on your house means if you are busy, some other will receive the call and will talk them, will share information with you, sir. So please,
But it's not portable, right? I cannot take it somewhere because our smartphone is a handy phone, so I can take anywhere I want. But landline phone is not so handy. I cannot take anywhere I want. Smartphones. Sorry, landline phones.
sir, you cannot take means you if you go to office means I will connect there also, sir. I will install the landline there also, sir. If you will go to office means.
No, in office I already have landlines. I'm talking about my home only.
If you in smartphone means fraud calls or some other calls will come. If the viruses are getting into your the chances are very uh, less in landline, sir. If you
Okay,
are
cool.
having smartphone means if you are using phone pay, Google Pay in smartphone means someone fraud will hack your mobile. The chances is are very less in landline, sir.
Cool.
If you
Okay. Now we'll have some academic questions. Okay. Tell me what is Newton's second law of motion?
Newton's second law of motion, sir, I didn't prepare for that.
Okay, but you should know these are basic questions. Like if I ask you ABCD, you cannot tell me I want time to prepare for that. Right? These are basic things. You should know.
Sir, opposite.
Okay,
If
Newton's
you have,
fifth law.
sir,
Newton's fifth law.
don't.
Okay. How many laws Newton have?
I think three only, sir.
Only three.
I
I
think
think there are six laws. What do you say?
maybe, sir. I don't know.
Maybe.
I working on it, sir.
But this you should know that how many laws Newton have. You can forget the law, I can understand. But how many laws Newton and Einstein are two scientists which we are studying the books of them from class 4 or class 3 only. So you should know that these two scientists have given some theory. So you should know a basic things, I think. Right? Okay. My second question to you is what is E is equals to MC square? Who gave
It
this
is
equation?
Einstein's theory of relativity.
Okay. What is E? What is M? What is C here?
E means energy, I think.
Okay. Okay. M
MC.
means
C means I didn't. I'm I'm not that sure. C means light speed.
Speed of light. What is speed of light?
Speed of light means in unit of second. How much
No. What is the value of speed of light?
speed of light? 3.8 into 10 power 8.
Okay,
3.1.
cool. Okay, cool. Got your point. Okay. So now tell me why the color of sky is blue?
Sir?
Why the color of sky is blue?
Sir, I didn't get you, sir.
Why sky is blue?
Because of scattering of light.
Scattering of light. Okay. And how many color do we have in rainbow?
7. With Gaia.
Okay. Okay. Name the colors in sequence.
Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Okay, cool. Okay. So now I'll ask some capital cities. Okay. If you know. Okay. What is the capital of Bihar?
Bihar, Patna,
Okay. What is the capital of Uttar Pradesh?
Lucknow,
Lucknow. Okay. And what is the capital of Madhya Pradesh?
Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal.
Bhopal. Okay, cool. Okay, so now we'll have some BDA questions. Okay, so now consider yourself as you have become the BDA of Byju's and I am your customer. Okay, so I took the BDA course of Byju's. Like you are the BDA and you came to my house to sell a course to me and I agreed. I took the course from you. Okay, so again, I am calling you to my house after 1 month with a complaint. Okay, my complaint is that you told me at the time of selling that you cover everything, every subject you are covering. But in Byju's course, you don't have computer science, you don't have English, sorry, you don't have Hindi, you don't have social science, right? So you only cover maths, you only cover science, and you only cover English. So why not computer? Why not Hindi? Why not another subjects? That is my concern because my child is weak in all those subjects. So how what should I do now? Because how will I manage all these things?
Sir, first of all, I'll check the plan of that customer, sir. For what plan did they buy?
Okay.
According to
Suppose you have checked yourself, and in that particular plan, there is no computer science, there is no Hindi. Okay, and there is no social science in that. Okay, and in Byju's we don't sell social science, Hindi, and computers. We only sell English, maths, and science. Okay, so in any course, in any plan, we don't have social science, we don't have computers, we don't have Hindi. Okay, so customer don't know these things. So that's why as a customer I'm complaining that I want all these things to be included in this plan. Otherwise, I want the money back. I'll return your product. I want the money back. So how do you stop me to doing this?
sir, first I say sorry for that to the customer, and
I'm the customer.
I'll suggest them to switch it on to the Veda and Byju's acquiring 6 apps, no, sir.
Hmm.
I will switch it.
In any app, we don't have these particular subjects. In Byju's itself, we don't have this facility of giving computer science, of giving Hindi and all that. We don't have this. In complete Byju's course, we don't have. Now what to do? Customer is now stuck. He has given the money, so he is complaining. Definitely, he'll complain. If you are a customer, you are giving money to Byju's, definitely you'll also complain, right? So that's why I'm also complaining from my side. So how will you stop me? I am very angry. Think this way. And I want the money back. I'm just telling you, if you don't want to give me the course, give me the money back. I don't want to take Byju's course. So how will
Sir,
you make me pay now?
my
And
main
how will you
authority,
convince me?
I'll suggest to my main authority to uh, to produce the computer science and coaching for that kids, sir.
If the main authority has told you that there is no provision of this, we don't sell this, we don't have this. Now what to do? Okay. Okay, we'll move to next question now. Okay, we'll discuss this in feedback session. Okay. Okay. So my next question is, suppose Byju's is giving a package of 1 lakh rupees, okay, for my child, okay. And now I have compared the package with Vedantu, White Hat Junior, and all these companies, okay. So now I told that the course is very expensive. 1 lakh is too much for me to pay. So I will pay only 80K for this course. And if you don't give me discount of 20K, I will not take Byju's, okay. And as per the company's policy, discount provision is not there in Byju's. You cannot give me a discount of single penny also. So how will you stop me and convince me to buy Byju's in 1 lakh rupees?
Sir, if you compare all other apps, Byju's is stand very far from them, sir. Because
How?
in Byju's they are having very talented teachers in Byju's. Topmost India's topmost teachers are there. It gives 3D visualization in at a time span. If you read the books means or other compared to other apps means, the Byju's have very HD videos, and it has app lock. If you watching if your class in 9 to 12 means, you cannot switch to other app. It is having fun to learn with the teachers.
Okay.
So comparing to all other apps, there is no app lock for any other. You are telling the apps, sir. Only for Byju's having app lock and 3D visualization like that. So
Do
you
you think
have to buy.
Vedantu is bad? Do you think Vedantu is not very good, not very effective application to buy? What do you think?
So, Vedantu
What do
is.
you think? Vedantu is bad application or Vedantu is not very appropriate? What do you think about Vedantu? I want to know your viewpoint about Vedantu.
Sir, I am not aware of Vedantu, sir. I know Byju's very well because I have also took the demo class of UPSC preparation, sir.
Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Got your point. Okay. So my next question to you is, suppose I give you 1 crore rupees, okay, and I make you the CEO of Byju's, okay, for 1 day or 2 days, okay, and I'm telling you to make some change in Byju's, okay, whatever things are there that is not working very fine. We're not getting new customers in Byju's now. I don't know why, but customers are not involving in Byju's nowadays. So being a CEO of Byju's for 1 or 2 days and being having 1 crore rupees in your hand, what change will you make in Byju's to make more customers?
Sir, first you said no, sir. Problem. There is no computer science and maths.
Yes.
I fixed that, sir. First.
Impressive answer. Okay, cool.
Then I make some discounts for that children's. For poor people
Okay.
also, they have to learn, sir. No, sir.
Okay. But discount is something that will not benefit the company because company is already having loss. It is not having major major kind of things. So discount will not work. Apart from discount, tell me something else.
Sir, I would like to acquire the Unacademy, sir, because that app also having large customers reviews, sir.
Okay. Cool. Okay.
If
Anything
you
else?
anything else, please.
Okay, cool. That is sufficient. Okay.
Customer
Whatever answer you
support.
give. Huh, cool. Got your point. Okay. So now I'll have next question. Okay. Suppose you are a salesperson working in a cosmetic showroom. Okay. A lady comes to your showroom and she buys a face cream. Okay. A normal face cream from you. Okay. You didn't check the expiry date, and you gave her the product. It was already expired and you have not checked that particular thing. She goes back to home, she applies the cream and she has face damage. Okay. There was a burnt in her face everywhere because the cream was expired. So she applied and she faced the burn. Now next day she comes to your shop and she's shouting at you. That is your duty to check everything before giving the product. You have not checked. Because of you, I have to suffer this much. So now she wants a compensation for you. She is telling you that give me 10 lakh rupees, okay, as a compensation for this, else I'll take you to court. So how will you calm her down and how will you manage things?
Sir, first of all, I say sorry for that lady, and
Okay.
I will convince her by uh, I uh, I will tell her I will give the treatment. I mean I will take her to the doctor and I will treat her with the doctor, sir.
Okay. And if she is adamant that I want the
And
compensation of 10 lakh rupees, will you give that?
no, sir. If then I will make. I will give free cosmetics while up to our life. I mean lifespan. She will come to my store and she will get cosmetics freely, sir.
Okay, cool. Okay. So now I'll have next question to you. Why should I hire you?
Why should I hire you means, sir, I have more talkative skills, sir. I mean, I will convince the people. I will convince the people very easily, sir. And
Okay.
I have also experience as a sales girl, and in my 12th also. In my 12th only, I went to the job. So
Okay.
these skills they will help me to take this role as my professional.
Okay. And what salary do you expect from Byju's?
Sir, as a fresher, I don't have salary is not my priority now. The
Mhm.
experience and role is my first priority now.
So will you work for free of cost if I tell you to work for some time?
Sir, free of
If you want to gain
means,
experience, right? So for experience, you can work for free for some time, for 2, 3 months or 6 months.
sir, 1 month is okay, sir. 2 to 3 months means I have to survive, no, sir. If you after COVID, it is work from not work from home. Is there, no, sir? I have to travel, no, sir. For that
Okay,
time is
cool.
also.
Cool. Got your point. Okay. So I think the interview is done, Arpita. Okay. Now we'll have the feedback session of this.